I want to start, Miss Brown, with a question. And that question is this. You want to read it for us?
Why do you think that just because you are smart, you can write?
That is an assumption that we have about students and often about ourselves. I made it to the University of Michigan. That must mean I'm a good writer. Turns out it's not true. And to see how weird that is as an assumption, we can kind of just switch that last word. So read it this way, Miss Brown.
Why do you think that just because you're smart, you can paint?
Nobody thinks that. Nobody thinks, you know what? I rocked the LSAT. I can paint like Leonardo da Vinci or Frida Kahlo because I have a super high GPA. Or if we think of other artistic skill endeavors, we would never say, look, because I'm smart, that means I can sing like Billie Holiday or Luciano Pavarotti, or that I can sculpt or dance. And what I'm here to sort of help you see is that writing is more like dancing and singing than just raw intelligence.